Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I'm going to show you how to use Contractor Foreman, a powerful project management tool designed specifically for contractors and construction professionals. Whether you are managing job, tracking time, or organizing documents, this step-by-step guide will help you to get started with Contractor Foreman like a pro. So let's dive right in. The first thing you will need to do is create your Contractor Foreman account. Now head over to this website, which is Contractor Foreman. On the top right side corner, you will see this option Start for Free. Now here it is free for 30 days, right? It's easy to use but it has a pricing plan. So you can plan it for quarterly or annually. It is $49 per month. That is the lowest one, and the highest one goes up to $250 per month, right? So let's say I just want to go with this basic one. Now here, to start your free trial, you have to enter your company name, first name, your last name, and each details they are asking. And now you have to pay for the subscription, right? To start your free trials, here you have to give your details, and then you can just go and click on continue here. And once you go and click on continue, automatically you will get 30 days of free trial. And after once your trial get finished, Contractor Foreman will start charging you. By the way guys, if you use our code given in the description or click on the link which is given on the description, you can save up to 50% or at least 25% whenever you are choosing for a trial, or if you're paying for any of the subscription. Now once you enter your number here, automatically they will cut an amount, and this is how you can just create an account as well as take a subscription of Contractor Foreman. Now once you have signed in, check your inbox for a verification email from Contractor Foreman. Click the link inside to confirm your account. Now it's time to set up your dashboard. So after logging in, you will land your Contractor Foreman dashboard. Now this is how the dashboard look like. This is where you will manage all your projects, client, employees, and more. Start by adding your company details. So you have to just go to your settings, and then you have to upload your company logo, contact info, and other relevant details, right? Next, let's add your team members. So navigate to employees, add employees, and there you can add all your employees, right? Enter the name, email, role, and permission. You can assign them specific access level depending on their responsibilities. Finally, set up your default settings under setting preferences. Here you can configure things like tracking rule, document storage preference, and notification settings. Right now that your dashboard is ready, let's create your first project. So go to your projects, add new project, fill in the project details such as the project name, client name, start date, and estimated completion date. You can also upload important documents like contracts or blueprints. Assign team members to the project by selecting them for the drop-down menu. Once you have created projects, you can track its progress using the built-in Gantt chart, task list, and timelines, which you can see just like here, right? So I can see the sales by month here, balance by project, as well as on the left side, I will able to see each and everything, the emails and every information I can see over my dashboard. So this is really interesting. Now, one of the most useful features of Contractor Foreman, it is time tracking and payroll system. Now to log hours, go to time clock, add time entry, select the employee's project and task they worked on, and then enter the hours. You can start enable geolocation tracking to ensure accuracy. Yeah, this feature is really interesting and it is available here. You can also see all these features which is available on Contractor Foreman. So here you can just go and read about one of them if there is any requirement for it. Now there's also document management here, obviously, because it's an important part, right? And you will able to find a documents upload file there. Now communication and collaboration, staying connected with your team and client is crucial. Contractor Foreman has built-in messaging collaboration tool, which you can see on the left panel here, right? To send a message, go to message and compose a message just like how you do it over your email. You can also create discussion threads within projects to keep everyone aligned, right? Finally, let's talk about reporting. Contractor Foreman provides detailed reports to help you analyze performance and make data-driven decisions. Now you can also generate reports. You can create reports, finances about labor hours, project progress, and more. Now And then you have it, a complete beginner's guide to use Contractor Foreman, from setting up your account to managing projects, tracking time, and generating reports. You now have all the tools you need to streamline your construction business. If you found this tutorial very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.